Okay, I am doing my presentation on 4 seasons of a year, and it's for preschool kindergartners. And we would start out by watching this video about the 4 seasons of a year, and it just explains what sort of things you do during those seasons and what happens during those seasons. So here's the video. Let me see.
Seasons in a year, I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. I'm thinking of a season with snowmen and ice. And if you like sledding, it's very nice. It's really cold, I need my hat and gloves. Winter is the season I was thinking of. Let's try a different season this time. I'm thinking of a season where it rains for hours, which helps the blooming of the brand new flowers. It starts to warm up, which I really love. Spring is the season I was thinking of. Now remind me how many seasons there are, boys and girls.
Oops. So it just goes on and does the rest of the seasons as well. So after we watch this video, I would just kind of explain what a season is and ask the students what they think. And it's obviously, there's 4 in a year. There's winter, spring, summer, and fall. And then you can tell what season it is based on the weather outside and the temperature, and you can kind of make a conclusion about what season you think it is. And then after that, I would ask the students what season it is now. And right now it's winter, and I'd be like, how do you guys know that it is winter? And then they could tell me their reasons why and everything, because it's snowing, etc. The next thing I would do is ask them, what do you see during the winter time that helps you decide that it's winter? And again, they would say, the snow, it's very cold, other things like that. You can also do holidays, it's Christmas time, so it has to be winter. In the spring, the flowers are blooming, stuff like that. And then we would talk about the seasons, and I would see if they can, name them off in order, which order they go, winter, spring, summer, and fall. And then I would have them write it on a piece of paper, or I would write it on the board. So I would write seasons on the board, and then I would ask the students which season. Okay, so winter's our first one, so here. What comes after winter? Spring, summer, and then fall. And I would put that in clockwise. And after we did this, I would talk about the activity we're going to do. And the activity is they're going to draw a picture of their favorite season. And then they would write a sentence about why it's their favorite season or why their picture falls into that category. So this is my picture. And I just drew a guy raking leaves, or girl raking leaves. And you can see that the tree, the colors are changing and everything. And my sentence is, I like fall because of all the beautiful colors. So once the students have all made theirs, they would come up and present it to the class and say, okay, I chose fall, that's my favorite season. The trees and all the colors and everything shows me that it is fall because they're all falling off of the tree. And then I would hang it up on the board under the fall category. And while the students are doing this activity, I would walk around and monitor them, make sure that they're on the right track, and that would also be their evaluation, is the completion of that and putting it in the right category. That's how I would evaluate them. And they could also share a little bit about their picture, this is my favorite season because I love the pool, it's always warm, summer's my favorite season. And that is how I would finish it. That's my presentation.